Right, so I'm in the square in Castletown, and I thought I'd show you a new addition, glimpse of it there, new addition to Castletown. Really kind of came up really quickly because a little while ago there was a load of scaffolding, and then all of a sudden we have the building complete and open. I didn't know they even started on the inside, but we've got a new visitor centre. So let's see if we can take a shot of that. So yeah, it's going to be a really brief video. I just thought I'd show you this new addition. They finished the building really quickly. It looks really good. It was once a bank, Barclays Bank before that, and it's been a Banks before that, and then a marketplace. But we're going to have a quick nose inside. So Market Square is written over there because it's the name of the square, Market Square. Have a look at the windows first. Some items in the window. It's really clean and light. Yeah, sweet. Right, let's have a little nose around inside, shall we? Might not be able to talk quite as much when I'm in there.
All right, see you guys. Sorry.
After you.
Yeah, thank you.
Stand in the doorway, so a bit of a nuisance, but this as you enter. You okay with me filming? Yeah, is that all right? I'm not doing anything nefarious or anything. Get your own body do.
No, it's far really, is it? No, I must admit, I'm not a big fan of driving around with all the light.
You know, that's one of my favourites. Garlic and herb seesaw. I'm not sure I've had that one. Is that new? Yeah, everything seasoning. Okay. Our famous Manx knobs. Oh, aren't they nice? It's very cool. Some kind of decanter. Silver spoon rings. Really good stuff.
Yes, there's
Try not to film the staff because it's probably fairly annoying. Some nice scarves in here. Really nice. So that was cool. Yeah, just thought I'd have a walk around and see what it's like, and they've got plenty of stuff in there. I mean, it's like obviously a few bits to purchase, which is really good because we've got our amazing Cree brand gift store, which is behind me here in the square. So you can get all your some of your gifts and stuff in there, and then you've got your you've also got the visitor centre as well, some other stuff. And I'm going to head off in a minute now anyway, because I'm heading down to the church to prepare for. We've got a walk in the Keels, which is a kind of a prayerful walk, visiting old chapels and stuff. And you can see I've got my hat with my clip on, ready to do some filming, and that'll be for the main walk. But I thought I'd pop down and see what it was like, and yeah, looks really good. Feels like it needs a bigger sign on the outside. Maybe that's to come. They're still working on it, but yeah, it's the this way, this way, this way. Thinking about a shot, but anyway, really cool. So come down to Castletown, visit the market square, visit all the other shops and coffee places and pubs and bars, and get your food and get a nice cream of gelato on the front, and visit the new visitor centre. So take care of yourselves. More importantly, take care of each other. God bless. I'll see you next time. Very shortly, in fact. Bye-bye.